So, hey guys, welcome back to another episode on the Garage. I'm gonna call it the Single Garage series. I haven't done much. I've just collected a whole lot of things that I want to put up. Everything still looks the same as you can see. So today I'm gonna be planning more lighting, planning a big board for all my detailing brushes and cloths and drying towels. Probably mounting the big board, and I've already made a slight modification which still needs to be finished off. I'll show you guys that shortly. And then also putting up a chalkboard for goals, to-do lists, clients that I need to write down to know that this date, just for some organization. We all need a bit of organization, but let me show you how far I've gotten so far. So we start off by the pressure washer. So because I'm using it as a detailing studio, my floor space needs to be as empty as possible so that I can move around the car in a small space. So I've built this little bracket. At the while the man allowed me to use his equipment. Wasn't a complex job, so he said I can do it myself. So the goal is to have this mounted, as you can see it here. And then I also did run a plug which I need to put conduiting to protect the wire, and it runs all the way to the back and it just plugs into the multi-plug with a household 16M3 prawn plug. So the goal is to run because the water is there. Let me show you. So this is where my water outlet would be. Sister normal washing machine. So I initially had it running with a hose pipe into the pressure washer on the floor, but so since I've mounted this, I think my best bet would be is run some flexi pipe, mount it to the wall so it's secure from the outlet, and bring it here somehow. The reason why I bring it here, I want it to be a two-way tap. So it will be a tap on the one side, and then obviously just another connection for the pressure washer hose pipe to go in. Having another tap with a hose pipe connected to it will allow me to fill the buckets. Otherwise you need to unplug and plug in and unplug water and switch off, and that just seems like such a big effort for me. That is my pipe, my 15-meter pipe that I had made up. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it. I'm trying to look for a very slim line hose reel to mount here, somewhere here, so that I can just pull the pipe out. I will figure that out, but for the meantime, this is my setup. So the pressure washer also comes easily out. If you look, it moves. The reason why I only have one, and for the mobile details I need to be able to take it, put it in the car and go. That's the idea that I kind of came up with. Not too high, out of the way, and off the floor. So I bought this Pegboard, and it will be mounted on the wall. I put my logo on it. It will be mounted in the corner there. I'll show you guys shortly when I mount it. So I wanted to put you guys on the stand to show you how I struggle, but my phone died. So I struggled in peace and silence. I got it mounted. So simple, thin piece of board just to bring it away from the wall. One on top just for some stability, and another one on the side. It is a little bit funky, so I do want to mount another one at the bottom, but for now it should do. I'm happy with the position. So one light, as you can see by the markings, will go here down, and the next one will go here, so it's directly in between the markings and right by the door. This time I am going to put you guys on the stand, and I'm gonna accessorize my Pegboard. That's it for today's Pegboard setup. I hope this episode makes you feel inspired to organize your space. If you enjoyed this project, please don't forget to like and subscribe, even if you could give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.